Now, the first thing we're going to do is show you what rangefinder is. And basically what rangefinder does is check which cells are referenced in the formula assigned to the active cell. So as you can see on I4, okay, if you see this, you'll see up here at the top in the formula bar that is G4 plus H4 divided by F4. If you double click it, you can actually see the cells that are being used. Okay, now we're finally going to format the worksheet and make it look a little bit nicer. Now, first we're going to change the workbook theme. Okay, so we're going to go to page layout, themes, and it says to go to the ion theme. Now we're going to format the worksheet title. So we're going to display the home tab. We're going to select A1 through K1, and we're going to merge and center. Same thing with A2 through K2. Select, merge and center. Okay, now we're going to change these to have the title style. So we're going to select A1 and A2 and give it the title style. Now to make salary report look like the subtitle, we're going to decrease the font size. So we're going to go to, we've got an upper A and a lower A here. That makes this bigger, that makes the font smaller. We're going to make it smaller by one size. As you can see, it goes down from an 18 to a 16. Now we're going to change the background color and apply a box border. So we are going to select the range A2 or A1 through A2. And we're going to go to the fill gallery here and find blue gray accent 5. So this is dark teal, this is green, this is blue gray accent 5. We're going to find it lighter 60%. There we go. Now we're going to select this again. We're going to change the border, so we're going to click the drop down here, and we're going to find thick outside borders, giving it a border. Okay, now we're going to apply a cell style to the column headings and format the total rows. We're going to select A3 here to K3. And we are going to center the column headings. Now we're going to go to A13 through K13 and click on the total row. We're going to go back to A3 through K3 and do heading 3. We're going to go to A14 through A16 and we're going to bold. Is this all correct? I believe it is. Now we're going to format dates and center data in cells. Okay, you may want to change the format of the dates to better suit your needs. Okay, in addition, numbers that are not using calculations are often centered instead of red aligned. So we're going to do K4 through K12 because we're going to edit the dates here. Now we're going to go to the number group and we're going to find the number format dialog box launcher. Okay, so we're going to change the formatting to where it looks something like this. 03, 14, 12. That's the style we're going to use. Press OK, and it looks a little bit better there. Now we're going to select the range C4 through C16, and we're going to center, making it a little cleaner. Now we're going to apply the accounting number format and the comma style. E4 through H4. We're going to give the accounting number format. Oops, E4 through H4. Then we're going to hold down the control key. We're going to do J4, F13 through H13. Okay, and cell J13. So make sure you hold down the control key for those cells because they're non-adjacent, meaning they're separated. They're not next to each other. We're going to change this to the accounting number format. Now we're going to select the specific ranges to contain the comma style format. So E5 through H12 and J5 through J12. We're going to do comma. Now we're going to select the range D4 through D16 and apply the comma style. Okay, now we're going to apply a currency style format with a floating $sign using the Format Cells dialog box. So we're going to select E14 through H16, hold down the Control key, J14 through J16. We're going to go and open up the dialog box here. Go to Currency. And we're going to select the third style here. Okay, this is for negative numbers. So in accounting, usually negative numbers are shown either in the red or black, but they have parentheses around them rather than the minus sign. Okay, now we're going to press OK. Okay, now we're going to apply the percentage style format and use the increase decimal button. So I4 through I15. We're going to change to the percent style. Then we're going to increase the indent 2 times. So we're going to go over here to increase decimal, press it twice so we have 2 decimal places. Okay, in our next video, we're going to cover conditional formatting.